Sige na ba? Pag kayo, kung gusto nyo umiyak, iyak nyo lang.
Good morning, Philippines!
Wala na, may saltik ako sandali ngayong umaga. Ay, nako, gusto ko na talagang mag-diet, pero hindi kaya sa pawis. Hindi kaya. Oh my God, hindi ko talaga kayang mag-diet. Nako. Na, ikaw talaga dahilan. Huh? Good morning. Guys, ang dami kong iniisip guys na gusto kong mag-diet. I'm sure papayat ako kapag hindi ako kakain ng bread palagi. Rice, have only a little portion of rice. Pero hindi kaya guys kapag lalo na kapag lunchtime, nagutom ako guys. Yung bandihado ko guys, yung plato ko puno ng rice. Iwan ko na lang. Kailangan ko talagang magsulat dito sa bahay. Sticky note. Bawal rice, bawal rice, bawal rice. Guys, hindi ko talaga, ay nako. Ay, iwan ko na lang si Batman talaga. Ay, nako. Gusto ko talagang mag-diet. I will try my best not to eat rice a lot. I will try my best. I will remind myself. I-remind ko yung sarili ko. Sabihin ko sarili ko, Day. Dandahan naman. Ang lalaki na kasi ng mukha ko. Talagang mukha talaga yung una, guys. Talagang hindi matago na gain ako ng weight. Pagkatapos akong inatake, napag-isip-isip ko, kailangan ko palang hugasan itong drying rack namin guys. Kasi nga, ang dumi-dumi na dahil nga sa tubig. Kasi yung tubig namin is hindi siya city water. Well po siya. So, kaya yun, ang tubig namin magbuo-buo puti-puti. So, kailangan siyang linisin. So, yun lang yun siya guys. After saltik-saltik sa umaga, na-realize ko kailangan ko palang maglinis. Kasi nga, yan na, buhay asawa guys. Habang nakatindig sa kusina, walang ginagawa. Hugas-hugas na lang tayo para naman may silbi. O diba? May silbi itong babaeng ito. Paminsan sinaltik. Gamitin natin yung saltik natin sa paglilinis ng bahay. Kasi guys, alam ko guys, at alam niyo yan, masarap paminsan pag may saltik. Wag lang masyadong grabe kasi po, madisturbo yung utak mo. Bakit matuluyan kayang kasaltikan ng buhay mo dyan. Iiwan na naman ako ni Tami. Kakarating lang niya kagabi. Dumating siya kagabi mga 11, 12, 12:30. And then ngayon, aalis na naman siya. Kasi trabaho na naman sa city. Ang layo ng drive niya. Ay, nako. Ang layo-layo. What, Hobbs? He's following you, Han. Yeah. No, he thought you're going to the office. So now, guys, aalis si Tami. So, ngayon, he's going to open the refrigerator. And let's see. Yeah, and let's see who's gonna jump. Because he knows. He's so smart, guys. Like, look, he knows. He's gonna come. He's gonna come. He's so smart.
Too smart for home.
Yeah. Dimple's already under there. Look, he's coming, guys. Like, he knows. He knows. He knows now he's gonna, like, I'm telling you, sister. Dada love us. I'm telling you, he's getting some turkey. Look, they're gonna face to face.
This is me first. Don't you forget it.
Yeah. That's what,
Smack you soon.
that's what he said to Dimple-san.
Yeah.
Good thing you know, Han.
Smack the piss out of you.
Look at them. That's look. Oh, I said stay here. It's me first. That's what it did. Oh my God, you're so mean, little boy.
Don't even think about it.
Okay, so bye, love.
I'm Monica Barrio. Getting ready to roll.
City work
I have
again.
to give the kids something before I go, so they could be happy. Because, you know, otherwise they're just not happy. They're not happy anyway.
Guys, if you notice, guys, this is Tammy's life. Kids, food. Tammy's life and the kids' life.
They get turkey, we get string beans. Look at that. Somebody is doing the right thing. Somebody knows how to live right. And some of us don't. And these two lining up already. Misty for sure. She's always lining up when it's like table foods.
She loves table food.
This time we gotta go, or I gotta go. Marianne's gonna stay here with you guys.
With you guys. With you guys. With you guys.
I'm taking some tuna fish with salad. And my computer's in the car already. I don't need tools. They got tools. Because Stevie will be there. He'll have tools. So I don't need to bring any tools.
Keep talking. I'm your cameraman. You know the struggle.
I'm my cameraman while I'm struggling. I got it.
You know how struggle is.
The struggle is real. So, let's draw this in the car. We gotta take another water just in case.
Just in case.
Oh, yeah. I'll put it in the bag. The other one is in the car. Yes, Monica, I'm always leaving my wife. She complains and complains and complains and complains. Because I'm always leaving her. Oh, I left my other cigarettes in the house.
Oh my god, smoker.
So now I have to go back in.
Smoker. What?
We put the Lexus in the garage at some point. So.
Well, it need to be arranged properly. When the snow is coming, Tommy.
Well,
when the snow is coming, that's where you're gonna put it in.
We're gonna switch these two cars before then.
Yes, of course. When it snow is coming, when it tells you.
Before the snow is coming, I'm gonna switch these two cars.
No, when there is a news like snow is coming, la 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 la.
Yeah, I don't want to wait until that, and then start moving stuff around. We're gonna switch it. I'm gonna put that on wheels to put it in front. Put the Lexus in, and then I'll wheel it back in front of the Lexus.
Yeah, you cannot block my driveway if we put this block because I might use this black car and if I'm leaving.
Once I get the Lexus in, I'll wheel it back in front of the Lexus.
Alahan.
I want to wheel it so it just wheel right in front.
That means you have to clear up because there's still tolls in there. That's your job to do it.
Yes.
Yes. Sige na, bye-bye.
Ay. My hair is a mess. What the hell?
You just showered.
I know, but the hair looked like crap.
Hey, drive careful, huh? I'll talk to you later.
Yep.
I love you.
Yeah.
Did you open the garage?
I'm
Open. Bye. Drive careful. At dahil umalis na yung ating mister, ako naman dito maglalaro. Maglalaro. Iba-iba yung laro natin kapag tumanda na tayo, di ba? Ang laro natin kapag tumanda is linis-linis sa ating bahay. Kasi kailangan natin maglinis. Anyway, so yun lang yung gawain ko guys kapag wala si mister. And then, paminsan naman, nakaupo lang ako, di ba? Never-ending cleaning guys. And then itong mga alaga ko din. Ay nako, hindi pa ako tapos. Ay, ang dami ko pang asikasuhin na linisin. Anyway guys, so kita-kits na lang tayo mamaya guys. Tapusin ko to kasi hindi ako matapos-tapos nito. Ang dami kong gusto kong yung general cleaning, yung sa mga gilid-gilid. Kailangan kong i-vacuum kasi ang daming buhok na dumidikit. Kasi nga, yung machine hindi niya makuha. So kaya yun, general cleaning ako sa ilalim ng couch, sa rug properly. And then, yung mga gilid-gilid, talagang inano ko ng brush, vacuum brush. So yun. So, yun yung ganap ko ngayon, guys. And, kita-kits tayo later. Isip ko, pagkatapos kong maglinis, guys, yung asawa ko, dapat kakain yun pag-uwi. So, nagluto na lang ako. Itong leftover na chicken, lechon paksiw, kasi lechon paksiw is the best! Good afternoon. Iyak ako nang iyak. Grabe yung iyak ko kanina. Ako iyak ng iyak. Iwan ko na lang si Batman. Iyak lang ako dahil gusto kong umiyak. Kapag kayo, kung gusto nyo umiyak, iyak nyo lang. Kapag masikip na yung dibdib nyo, iyak nyo lang. Wala namang nangyari sa akin. Umiyak lang talaga ako. Nilabas ko lang yung kung ano yung iniisip ko. Nilabas ko sa iyak. Ang dahilan ng pag-iyak ko, marami akong nakikitang mga videos na sa wish ko lang na nakakaiyak. So ngayon, sabi ko, iiyak ko nga ito kung ano yung nasa puso. Punta na lang ako sa bed kasi hindi ko na mapigilan. Iyak talaga ako ng iyak. Nakaupo lang ako doon sa couch. Sabi ko, iniisip ko ba? Dami kong iniisip. Ang sarap umiyak kapag walang nakatingin. Ako lang dito kasi isa, wala si Tami. Trabaho, diba?